Many time especially in health profession, I learned and talk about and discuss about this burnout. And being an international medical graduate myself, so burnout is a very common phenomena that I get to hear. So I was at a Maxwell Leadership Conference where I was listening to John Gordon, where he mentioned that we don't get burnout because of what we do, but we burn out because when we forget why we are doing it. So we don't get burnout what we do, but we actually get burnout when we forget why we are doing it. Because if you're doing something out of passion, something that you're really interested in, something that really motivates you, something that is coming out of your heart, something that is coming with this abundance mindset that you want to help others, you want to serve others, you want to do something to learn yourself, you want to grow, you want to move forward. So then these efforts that you put to get to the next level doesn't come across as a burden. It come across as a motivation. It come across that you're taking steps to overcome that gap that you have where you are now and where you want to be. So it's important whenever you feel this procrastination, whenever you feel tiredness, whenever you feel frustration, whenever you feel burnout, try to look inside you and remind yourself why you have chosen this specialty, why you have chosen this work. So when you focus on why, that may give you more energy, that may reminds you, your passion behind it, and that may push you and encourage you and inspire you to keep doing it without feeling burnout.